What's up, you guys? It's Katharine coming at you once again, a little bit different from at the beginning of the video, from the future. I'm gonna start this video off really quick just by saying that the Aerie try-on American Eagle portion of this video is gonna have a timestamp down in either the description or in a comment. So if you're here just for that and you want to jump straight to it, that's totally fine. The rest is a vlog following up my camping trip from the weekend. I have some quick footage of me just unpacking, which I thought was interesting from that Sunday night, and then Monday is basically the rest of the video. So stay tuned for that. It's a lot of fun. Alright, made it home. It's 11:30 on Sunday night, and I have some stuff I need to unpack. Let me tell you, we were in a cloud all weekend, so basically everything is wet and gross, and nothing dried out while we were camping. So I literally just have to take everything out and let it air out for maybe a couple hours a day. It's late, so probably for a day. And I have to clear a room to do that. So I'm just gonna be taking stuff out that needs to be washed in laundry, airing stuff out, etc. So. And another thing, I just got a package from Aerie. American Eagle Aerie, whatever, so it's actually going to be 2 packages. So what you don't see is half of my tent that is getting set up in the other room. I'm halfway setting it up so that it airs out. I don't know if that explains it at all. And then my really dirty, nasty footprint that goes underneath the tent, I put that outside on the patio. Good morning. Monday morning, the 28th, and I am now 30 and 1 day old. I had to get up early today to come to my allergy shot. It's at 9. I actually have 2 this week because my vials are expiring, so I have to do some extra doubles, which I don't normally do. So last night I didn't get in bed until well after 2. Things to do today, so I have my allergy shot. I have a Barre class at 10:45, which I now regret because I just want to go back to sleep. And then I just need to do some studios. I'm literally wearing the bed with me. This is a cardigan from Thread Up, and it's I think it's Zella brand, but it snaps right here and then it's just open. And I literally feel I'm just wearing a blanket. It's not that cold. It's 71, but I just feel being I haven't even seen that. Oh, that's so funny. It's it feels it's a little bit worn. It's a little bit pilly, but I don't mind. So look what it looks like. Literally just wearing the bed. I got an email. I emailed, I should say. I'm also 10 minutes early for my allergy shot, so I'm just gonna sit here for a bit. But I also emailed the kayak person that I ordered that kayak from. Kayak people. It's only one person, I don't think. And I was if my kayak doesn't ship out this week, I'm gonna have to cancel my order. And he pretty much immediately got back to me, and he was oh yeah, it should be coming to Monday or the next day, and it will definitely ship out this week. I'm all right, we'll see about that. And so it's making me nervous that it hasn't shipped out, because I'm okay, is it going to? Am I being scammed? I'm nervous. I have my coffee, which I need to drink before getting in there. And I always bring my bottle of water. But I'm why? This thing weighs 10 pounds. And I can't drink it because I have to wear a mask the whole time. Why even bring it? Man, I'm not. I'm so tired. I feel I'm gonna feel great afterwards, but I'm already I'm regretting going. I'm so tired. I just want to go back to bed. I won't have a chance to go back to bed though. I'm literally gotta go do work after this. Going to Barre. I have such a big pillow right here. I feel I've been saying that a lot. All the leaves over there are all falling down. It's so pretty. And fall and festive. So wearing face masks and stuff so often has just really made this like angry, this whole area angry. Especially when it's like hot and you're like sweating and your sweat is just like staying on your face, and then just like, yeah, so that's what's happening here. I forgot socks. I spent so much money on socks and I forgot them. This is like the third time in like a couple of weeks. Now I have to pay $17 for a pair of socks because I forgot them. Good workout. I didn't sweat like as much as I normally did, but I still burned like almost 500 calories, so I don't know. I do not know. Not exactly summery, but I really like New Year's and that kind of thing. Maybe one of these days I'll actually wear my hair down. I am in full-on cozy mode right now. I have like one of my favorite baseball tees. I'm wearing some new joggers that I just got, and they will be in my American Eagle / Aerie haul coming up in a little bit. We're working on, oh sorry, one more thing, and a lovely candle going. I am drinking a second cup of coffee, and I'm wearing cozy Deathly Hallows socks. Anytime I ever wear any like Harry Potter socks or something like that, I always just feel like immediately cozy. I just really do. Working on foiling some stuff right now. I decided I would wait and go to studio a little bit later. It's 2:12 right now, and I figure I might as well just go closer to 4. That way I don't have to worry about parking, and then I can get some of this done before then. I have a couple of them foiled so far, and then I have some others that I obviously need to get to. It's just whenever I feel like I spent so much time like in studio the other day grinding all of these down, but like I just feel like there's hardly any on here. Like there's like hardly any. There might be like 20 pieces of glass on here. I don't know. And it's just such a long process that I'm like, there's got to be a better way to do this, especially for the size of the object that I'm working on right now. It's just such a big piece, and it requires so much glass. This one's cool. That's pretty much it. I still need to go to the grocery store. I've just really been avoiding doing that. The point, what I was trying to say is that I have this stuff ground and it's ready to be foiled. And then when I get back to studio, I think that I'm just going to continue to grind down more and then bring them home to be foiled. I kind of have been avoiding working on like making something sculptural, like doing the soldering. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I need to go get steel still from Athens Steel, which I couldn't do today. I just don't feel like doing anything today. I'm so tired. That's okay. Tomorrow is a research day. We don't have class on Tuesday, and technically we're not supposed to have class on Wednesday, but I still have art history on Wednesday. She said like she doesn't follow research days, so we are still having class on Wednesday. That's okay. I have a day off tomorrow. So I might be able to do that tomorrow, and also still spend probably like the whole day in studio, which would be
So we'll just
welcome to the try-on haul portion of the video. I have some stuff that I got from American Eagle. I think this is partially Aerie, partially American Eagle, maybe some offline stuff. I'm not really sure. I don't really remember. I'm going to start with these sandals that I got, that I ordered. They're furry. These like yeah, now you can tell. They're like little X's. They cross over. They're furry. They're super soft. But look at the shape of the shoe. Like, that is so strange. It's like not a normal foot shape. So I got these to wear to Barre, because you have to wear socks to Barre, and when it starts to get cold, I don't want to be like wearing sandals and stuff in there. I think it will be easier if I just wear my socks, slip them in, and then I just have like an easy way to get in and out of shoes. 2 of these bralettes. It's like their new style of bralette. It is like a ribbed texture. I got this white color and this, like, I don't know, it's like a dusty rose color. I don't really know what color exactly it is, but I got 2 of those, and I'm about the back. Like anything that has a back like this, it just crosses in the back or is like strappy in the back, is just like my favorite thing. I have tattoos on my back, so I just think it looks like good. I don't know, because I like to show that off a little bit sometimes, a little subtle show. And then I was thinking that I would wear this one with this sweater. So what I love about this sweater other than the color, is the back as well. It's like a cross back. They call it a ballet back. So I have not obviously tried these on yet, so I don't know what they look like. So you'll see before I even know like what this looks like right now. But I was going for cozy stuff. So it looks like all of this stuff so far has been Aerie. So this sweater is Aerie, both bralettes are Aerie, and then these shoes are Aerie. I wore these yesterday. They're joggers. Anything in gray, like I love gray. I slept in these last night. These are my first actual pair of joggers. Like I bought joggers many times and I always end up returning them because I'm like, I don't like how these fit. But I like how these fit. Stitching on the side, it makes them look like really good quality. There's a panel down the side of the leg right here, and so the way that they have it sewed together is just like really nice. And then the back also has stitching across the top, which I always like that as well. I tried those joggers, like I don't know what you wear with them. Like how do you wear joggers? Like I have no idea. I've never had them. So like I tried like a baseball tee and I was like, this looks frumpy, I don't know. And so then I was like, well actually I realized that I have this Beyond Yoga like bell sleeve crop. And this looks super cute with the joggers. This is not part of the Aerie, and I have literally never worn this before though, so my first time wearing it was yesterday, and it was just perfect. It was like the high-waisted joggers with this like kind of cropped shirt was awesome. In case you're wondering, like, what do you wear with joggers? Oh, okay, this is the first American Eagle thing that I got. So these joggers are American Eagle, and they do have sort of a wide hem, I guess, but they're really kind of loose, so if around my ankle, they're not like tight on my ankle. So even if you put them up sort of like on the calf or whatever, it still just like kind of falls down because it's not like very tight. I got another pair of joggers, which I also have not tried on yet. And then these joggers are Aerie, and they have sort of, I don't know what you call this type of stitching. Like, I don't know if it would be called ruching, I'm not really sure. But this is the same on the band, the waistband as well. It's just like elastic. On the front they don't have it, but on the back they have it. But I like that it has like that V shape in the front. I think that will be really flattering. And there's pockets, and this is more of like a linen sort of material, where the others are more of like a sweatshirt material. What is this? Oh, it's a cardigan. I forgot I got a cardigan. So this is a gray cardigan. For some reason I thought it was supposed to be white, but I guess it's gray. And I like cardigans that have, oh, I'm literally holding it upside down. This is from American Eagle, and it's like a curved hem, and I just like prefer that style of cardigan to like straight cardigans. I don't know, I just think that looks really strange. These leggings are also from offline. I got them maybe like a month or so ago. Oh. And I guess it has dolman sleeves, so the sleeves are literally gigantic, and it looks like they might be about like a 3/4 length. They're not going to go all the way to your wrists. And that's it. Okay, this might sound a little bit strange. This might sound a little bit strange, but I have this like craving for chocolate right now. I really want chocolate. But I don't have anything chocolate in my house, and I don't really feel like going to go anywhere to get anything. So I have another craving. I really want to paint. By the way, this is like my extra kind of like storage studio room. I don't really use it because I like to just do stuff in the like living room. But this is where I have a lot of storage stuff, art supplies, things like this that aren't in my studios at school. And I really want to paint something. And I walked in here and I was like, I do have paint. I have paint. Yes, I have paint. I have black and white paint. I don't have any colored paint here. So I was like, I have these canvases. Can buy right here in the corner, and I've not done anything with them, and I've had them for very many years, and they're like very precious because I've had them for so long, and they were expensive when I got them. Well, I've decided that I'm going to put my sofa on one of them, and I'll have this as just like, because the other ones are kind of precious because they're part of a series, the embroidered ones are, but having one that's painted, I don't think it's gonna feel quite as like precious in the way of like, I don't want to sell my embroidered ones for some reason. I don't know. So I have this huge canvas. It's a 12" by 24. Huge by, I mean, it's 2¼ inches deep. So it's really thick. Really, really thick canvas. It's Pro Series, and it does feel like it has a good amount of gesso on there. Typically I do gesso and sand canvases that are pre-primed many times, but I don't have any gesso here. Do I have any gesso here? I don't have any gesso here. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and start tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and get it transferred. I might even be able to start. Like, so easy. It's literally just like cut and paste because I've literally already drawn it once and I've already like embroidered it once. I'll show you. I'll show you which one it is. This is the template for it. I realize it's a bit dark in here, but this is the embroidered version of my couch. Literally my couch. Literally my couch. So what I want to do is put it on here. So what I need, and I have some transfer paper, so I'm just going to spend a little bit of time, and honestly it fits so perfectly on this canvas. Like literally, like so perfectly. It's just in the middle of this canvas. Don't know what I'm going to do with the background. I will not be leaving it raw, I don't think. And then just go ahead and start tracing this, and I might be able to get some done tonight. What was it? 10 o'clock? Yep. I swear, this dog is literally just the cutest and sweetest thing. Like, he just comes in here because I'm in here for like a minute, and he's like, I think we're going to hang out in here now, and he just like lays down. He just needs to be in the same room with me. It's just, sometimes it's so annoying, but right now I just think it's so cute.
Dory's a good puppy. Hello, Dory. Good puppy.
1 hour later, I think I have all the lines. Let's look. I don't know. I don't know. I think I missed some. Obviously, I missed that line too, but I'm not going to worry about that one right now. Maybe something around there. It sort of moved a little bit. The tape that I used, the washi tape, wasn't the best, but I'm digging how that looks right now. And I am tired, so I'm not going to start on it tonight. I'm going to go to bed pretty soon. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe to be notified for when we sporadically post, and to stay updated on our painting progress. Among other things, embroidery, stained glass, grad school stuff, lifestyle things, etc. And I'll see y'all then. Thanks. Bye.